Hey y'all, it is Jessie Lynn Somerville Cain. If you're not already, go ahead and look down below and click the subscribe button, then the bell, and go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. So, I want to start off this video. I can't talk today. I drank way too much coffee and I'm like, anyways, I want to start out this video by asking y'all, have y'all ever heard of PINCHme.com? Because I had never heard of them and they emailed me wanting me to do an unboxing of one of their boxes. And then so they sent me an influencer box. And I'm very excited. I will have a referral link in the top of the description box down below. When you open it up, it is full of goodies. Now, I have looked through it. I could not wait, okay? I couldn't wait. I had to look. Now, what you do is you become a pincher. Really cool little name. You complete your member profile. Tell them, not us. Tell them more about yourself. They'll match you with relevant products to your lifestyle. You choose your samples on Tuesday. No credit card required. And you get to try the products for free. In exchange, they ask for some of your time and plenty of your opinions. You get a variety of samples. You get special perks, including partner offers and exclusive sweepstakes. So, I had never heard of it. I'm very excited about it. And we're just gonna go ahead and jump in. I'm gonna show y'all what they sent me. So, first off, and I'm just grabbing at random, first off are these blister cushions. And I cannot tell you how excited I am about these because I literally have a pair of shoes that my late husband bought me and they are the cutest like tan suede flats, and they're so cute, but they rub my heels, so I never wear them. Now I can wear them and I am so excited. Next is this Moroccan oil treatment, and I'm very excited about this because I have really gotten into hair care and just trying to do what I can to make my hair healthier. So I'm very excited about that. Next is this nut butter. It's a honey cinnamon peanut butter, and I'm very excited about this. We are a peanut butter family, and my husband loves honey peanut butter, and I'm like a huge cinnamon fan, so I'm super excited, or we are super excited to try this. Next, y'all, this is so cute to me. I love little stuff. Y'all, look at this little deodorant. Like, is that not just the cutest little deodorant? It says native deodorant. It's a coconut and vanilla. And I actually really want to see what this smells like. Ooh, y'all, that smells good. That is so cute, y'all. Oh, that smells so good. That's gonna be perfect for traveling because, I mean, I just travel so much. That was sarcasm. I go like 1 or 2 places a year. Next is this Sundown Naturals multivitamin. It has daily immune support with ester C. And I'm very excited because I do take daily vitamins, multivitamins, and I literally just ran out earlier this week. So I'm glad I didn't buy some more, so now I can try these. Next is this French lavender soap from Pacha. It gives livelihoods worldwide, ethically sourced ingredients, and creates delightful experiences. And it smells so good. Like, it has my whole makeup room smelling good. All right, next is this L'Oreal Paris Pure Clay Mask, Detox and Brighten. I'm very excited to try this. Last, but definitely not least, is this Garnier Fructis Smoothing Treatment 1-minute hair mask on this side. And then on this side, it's the Garnier Whole Blends Gentle Shampoo and Conditioner on this side. And like I said, I'm really getting into hair care. So I'm super excited to try these and see how it makes my hair feel. And that is it for my box. I absolutely loved everything I got. It was such a fun surprise, like opening it up and seeing the different range of stuff that was in there. Now, like I said, in the description box, there is a referral link just in case y'all do want to try this box out. And that is it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. It was something different. It was really fun. I'm fixing to knock makeup over. Anyways, I'll see y'all in my next video. I was about to do the thumbs up. Yeah, make sure you give this video a thumbs up before you leave. Make sure you're subscribed, and I'll see you on my next video. Toodles.